Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing. But August 28th was my birthday, and at the beginning of this year, for Valentine's Day, I had promised myself that for every birthday and holiday, I'm going to treat myself to a lavish gift. For Valentine's Day, I unboxed the MCM pouch, which I gifted to myself, and I did do a video. If you guys want to see that, I will link it below and somewhere up top here. All right, so for this birthday, I wanted something a little bit more expensive, so I got myself some Gucci sandals. Yay! So these, honestly, these shoes, when I first saw them, I didn't like them. It wasn't until I saw them on Glamazon here on YouTube that I was like, you know what, those are actually super cute. And I was like, all right, that's what I'm gonna get myself for my birthday. Now, this gift, I completely forgot to write a card, so this is going to be my card to myself. To the love of my life, happy birthday from the love of your life. It came in this big box, like it's bigger than my body, okay, and I'm thick. So when I first opened it, I'm kind of out of frame. Let me step out of frame a little bit. So when you open it, can you see me still? When you open it, it's nice and green on the inside. It has a little tissue on the side. I had already unwrapped the bowl, but it does come with a little bowl on it. Matter of fact, I have a video of me actually unboxing it, so I'll put that clip in. And yeah, it comes with this little thing. I didn't open that yet either. I think that's the receipt. Dust bag. Is this a dust bag? No, it's a tote. It's a little Gucci tote. I didn't know it was a tote. Girl, all right. So let's see what this is. I think this is the receipt though. Yeah, it's the shipping label. I mean not the shipping label, the return label, in case it doesn't fit or whatever. This is the thank you for your recent purchase. Yes, there's information on the returns. You get a little, I think this is the authentication card. No, that's if you have questions. So there is no authentication card. And does it have my address? Yes, it does. All right, so, and the return label. I was about to flash my whole address on freaking YouTube. Okay, but this is the little Gucci tote. Soup's cute, Soup's adorbs, and it says Gucci.com on the side. Will I ever take this anywhere? Probably to the beach or something. This is huge. Oh my. All right, so that's fun. All right, so I'm not gonna hold up the box again. I'm just gonna take, where am I? I'm not gonna hold up the box again. I'm just gonna take it out. This is it here. The string is still attached. That's just extra stuffing. All right, so this is the box. Now, I am a size 9, which would have been a 39 in Euro, but they have a sizing guide on there. So what I did was, how their website was, which I thought was really cute. What they do is you select your size from a designer that you already own. So what I did was, I have these Steve Madden pumps, so I selected Steve Madden and I selected the size that fits me in that, which was a 9, and they told me to go up a half size in these. And looking at them, I was already thinking of going either a half or a whole size up. I did watch a couple of videos. One girl did go up half a size, one girl stuck with her true size, but they had narrower feet. I think I have a wider foot. And I'm happy that I went up a half size because it fits like a glove, okay? All right, so this is the gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous box. Love this freaking box. You open it, that's the stuffing, and then they both come in dust bags, little Gucci dust bags. What's this? Paper. Oh, so soft. All right, okay, so each foot comes in its own dust bag, and there she is in all her glorious splendor. I love it. I love the shoe. I love the shoe. I love the shoe. Like I said, I got it in a 39.5. I'm gonna put it on right now. I already have a clip, I think, of me trying it on, so I'll just insert that. But I'll show you how high I get once the shoes are on, right? Yeah. Gave me a little bit of oomph. These are the platforms. Super comfortable, super easy to walk in. I would wear these with jeans. I would wear these with shorts. I hope my head is not cut off right now. I hope you can still see me in all my glorious glory. Wear these with jeans, wear these with shorts, wear these with a black dress. They're super casual. I love, love, love them. I feel like I should get the hat to match. What do you think? Or that's doing too much. That's too many labels, right? Like, no. But I love these shoes. If you're thinking of getting them, get them. You know why? Life is freaking short. Get it. If you like the shoes, get the shoes. Kissyface454. The end. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. These are super good. Oh, I didn't tell you the price. Do I need to tell you the price? It was like after taxes, it was like $633 or something like that. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm forgetting things. So let me take them off because now I feel like I'm too high. So I got these actually after my birthday. That's when I purchased them. I purchased them, I want to say the Wednesday after my birthday, the Tuesday or the Wednesday. And they give you complimentary 2-day shipping. So it was supposed to get here. No, so right. So I ordered, yeah, either Tuesday or Wednesday. And it would have been here the Friday, right? They were sending it via FedEx. They were like, signature required. I was not going to be home. So they came and left a note at my door. Monday is a holiday. So I had to wait Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and I got my shoes on Tuesday. Anyways, completely worth the wait. So if you're ordering your shoes online, make sure somebody's there to sign for your shoes. And it's the same thing with MCM. Make sure somebody's there to sign for it because they will not leave it at your door. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.